We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, today we will see two commands, divide and measure. Both the commands can be seen in our draw panel under the drop down menu. This is the command for divide and this is the command for measure. So let us see what these commands are used for. First we will see the command divide. Divide is used to divide an object equally. Let us see an example for that one. So let us have this line. Suppose this is our line. This is, I don't know what is the length of this line, but I have to divide the line equally into 6 parts. Let us see how it can be done. So for this purpose, we will take the command divide, and the short key for divide is div. Enter. It will ask to select the objects. So let me select my line as my object. Okay, now it is asking to enter the number of segments. There is a sub option block over there. We will see that one. First we will see first default option, number of segments. So we are going to divide our line into 5 equal parts. So my segment should be 5. So I am giving 5 as my input. Enter. Now the line is divided. You can, if you select the line like this, you can see the line divisions over here, and this is midpoint. We can see 4 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 point means the line is divided into 5 equal parts. So let us we want to see we want to highlight that divided points on the line. Then we will go to point option, PT. You can see the point styles over here. Let me select this as my point style. There you can see the points on the line. If you measure the distance, you can see it is equally distributed. Let us measure. This is 68. This is also 68, 68. See how the line is divided into 5 equal parts. All are having the dimension of length 68. See, this is the tool divide in the command. So again we will see there was an sub option in the command divide. So let me take the command divide, div, select the line itself, and we will go for the block. Instead of point, if you want to divide the line with respect to the block what you have created, this block name you can give as input. I will show you that example also. Let me take the sub option block. You have to enter the name of block what you have created. So it should be properly entered. Your spelling should match, otherwise it will give the message the block is error or something like that. So I have a block here, dishwasher. Okay, so this is asking to align the block with the object. That block will be aligned on this object. Yes. How many blocks has to be placed? So the block we are giving 5 numbers as like the points. Last time we have seen there was only 4 points. So if you want to divide the line into 5 segments with the block, then you will get 4 blocks in the drawing. So I am giving 5 as my input. You can see 4 blocks have came, and the distance between the block will be same as So we need to know this is the block's pick point. So we have to measure from there. (68). We take continuous dimensioning. So this is how the divide command works. So same can be used in polylines also, like on this triangle you can use the command divide. We will do divide. I want to divide this object into 10 equal parts. See, distance between each point will be same. This may be started from here. This is 153. The balance will be here only, from here to here. If you add these dimensions, 117 plus 36, 153, correct? No? So like this you can divide your objects with the command divide. Now we will see then what is measure. So we have seen the command divide. Now we will see the command measure. Here we are not able to control the measurement of the divided area. Like the 68 we have now, 68 we have seen in the seen as the measurement. So we cannot control the dimension 68. If the line is like this, you can divide equally. So you cannot change the parts dimension. But let me say, if I want to divide my line as such a way that the divided part should be of length 38. Let it be 38. So we will take the command measure. ME is the short key for measure. Select the object to measure. This is same as divide. Here instead of the number of segments, the command is asking for the length of segment, how it has to be divided. Okay. So what we have said, 38 should be my length of the divided segment. I am giving 38. If you see, you can measure the distance. It will be, I have picked wrongly here. Let me take from this side. So the division will start from where I have selected which side of the where I have selected the which side of the object. If I selected the right side of the object, the division measure will start from that side. If I select the object from left side, the division will start from that side. If you see, you can see the dimensions 38, and as like what we have seen in the last segment, it will be divided as 37 only. Why? Because up to this we can divide equally as equally 38 length segment of 38, but this will be the balance line. The line is still extended up to this much, and the balance will be kept as like it is. So let me I will show you one more exercise. We will change the dimension into segment length will be 43. Let it be 43. Let me take measure ME. I am selecting the object this side, and I am giving the segment as 43. We will measure the length of the divided segment. See, last segment will be something different. It will not be the 43, because this much we will get 43 equal length of 43. This will be 40 only, because after this portion this much line is extended, the balance will be kept as it is. So this command can be used as like we have seen in the divide. You can divide the or you can measure the lines or polylines with the block also. You have to give the you have to select the block sub option and to give the block name to measure the object with respect to block. We will do this one in block. Name is dishwasher. Yes. Specify the length of object. I want it to be in every 80 gap. So this is how it is distributed. Okay. So that's for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe us for more videos.